In this video, I will show you to add a contact form in your Squarespace website. Here you can go and click here website. Then you can select the pages. So these are the different pages. For example, let me click here about, then scroll down, click here edit. Now page builder is loading. After that, click here. So if you want to add a contact form, then click here to add a section. Then on the left side here you can see different options. So you can add the gallery, images, videos and many more. Let me select this one, contact. So these are the different designs for the contact form that you can easily add. Let me select this one. Scroll down. After that, click here. Then you can easily duplicate, delete, pin, as well as you can edit this form. Click here. Now the form name, here you can change it. Then button text, for example contact, whatever you want. After that, edit the form fields. Then for the email notification, here you can add your own email. Additional storage, here you can connect different options, different marketing companies like MailChimp, Zapier, Google Drive. After that, you can easily export the form submissions. You can manage them, as well as you can edit the form fields. If you want to delete any of the fields, then simply you can click here, then delete it. Okay, file is deleted. You can also add the new fields. Then click here design tab. Here you can add different button styles. Okay, that looks perfect. After that, you can add the backgrounds. Then you can easily transform. Here you can add the animation. So in this way you can easily add the contact form in your Squarespace.